Hello and welcome to another update video about IMX. We haven't covered IMX for a while, really because there was not really anything exciting to update. Also, IMX is not the most popular coin, at least not by video views, so we always have to prioritize the ones that are requested most frequently. However, now we have a somewhat interesting development. You might recall from the previous video that we are looking here at a larger ABC top. So as I mentioned before, an ABC top always introduces complexity and uncertainty into a chart because there are just too many options. For example, we could see new bear market lows from here. Yeah, I don't think that is the most likely scenario, but there are other options. For example, this could just be the first wave of a triangle. A wave, then we make a B wave, then we make a C wave, and it could just continue sideways. Or it could be a larger A wave. Yeah, A, B, C in wave A, we're now going to see a B wave pullback, and we could then rally in a C wave. Or it could even be the first wave of a diagonal, A, B, C in wave 1, A, B, C in wave 2, and we go. So you see, there are even more options. So I don't like charts with ABC tops. It was a good, decent setup before. Okay, I presented you with the support zone. Here, that was our support zone that was triggered a few times throughout December last year and January this year. And then I gave you a target area for the next move up and a fantastic swing trade for anybody who took it between, even if you entered here somewhere at around 170 and it rallied into our resistance area from support into resistance. Nice swing trade, didn't take a lot of time to manage, took around a month to play out. We've now reached the resistance area and there is a first rejection. So that means we could have formed a price top in ABC, 5 waves up in wave C. That means this structure could be complete. So what does that mean? Well, see, lots of different options are possible. I think the first one that will be tested, the first scenario, which is a more directly bullish one, which is what I want to explore now first, that's this one. That we get, I haven't labeled the whole thing, but it basically indicates that it would be another extension in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are different contexts that this would fit into, but we could have here another 1, 2 set up. So I want to explore that first. Support is defined, the ideal support range for this pullback in this scenario. It's between $2.76 and $2.01, with additional support at $2.49 and $2.28. I have to say though that below $2.01, the situation is getting highly uncertain because then it will likely mean that this 1-2 setup will get invalidated. And as I said, I don't trust it. It's simply the next, let's say the next most likely scenario that I think will be tested and where we have some levels to watch. Okay, but yeah, what would other options be? I mean, another option would be to say, that this entire move gets corrected. That's also a possibility, but then you have a lower support. But then let's first see if this one is playing out. Let's observe these Fibonacci levels between the 38.2 retracement and the 78.6 to see if the market reacts to one of them. And then we also have structural support around $1.70. But yeah, below $1.70, the white extended structure gets invalidated. I can't even give you a clear target higher until I have a low in place for wave 2. But to give you a bit of a ballpark figure, let's make some assumptions. Let's say the white wave 2 might reach 249. Then I'd like to see, well, 540 is a level to watch, but in wave 3 in white, I would like to see minimally $6.46. So that's sort of just a bit of an idea. But yeah, any chart that's only a 3-wave structure, it clearly is. It's just a bit difficult. It's just a bit difficult. If that level breaks, that support level, then we have to explore other options. So it's not a high confidence count, but it's the one that I think makes sense now and where we just need to be watching for certain support reactions to these support levels. Yeah, that's my update about IMX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.